program is nothing but the branch is cross-checked with available. If it is available, true. If it is not available, what now? False. So the method will return the value. RETURN, return K. It's returning the value or not now? All of you observe this point, right? Returning the value. So finally, it returns the value, right? So if the branch matched K, matched branch parameter and it returns Boolean. Branch is available, verify method will return true. If branch not available, verify method will be false. Now, if of K means K already Boolean, no, right? K already Boolean or not now? K will have true or K will have false. You can write if of true. If not, it becomes false. Anyone. So end of if. This time commenting there. Else. If branch is not there, you can say what now? System dot out dot print ln. You can say here invalid branch. BRANCH. If branch not there, it is an invalid branch. All of you understood the logic and say son note to me. All of you clear, right? Now let me cross check it is coming or not. Up to here, it is executing or not. Let me cross check. Now enter the roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. 10 digits, no? Roughly. Enter the name. Some Raj. Enter the branch. There are given capital letters, no? Enter in capital now. Sir, EC. I belongs to EC. Now, EC branch is available or not now? Here, 6 subject marks should come. Suppose I entered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Name is Samraj. Branch is mechanical. Mechanical available or not available? Not available. What is the answer now? Invalid branch. All of you understood this logic? Right. Okay. Now, when the branch is available, now the total program you have to copy inside. The total will come under if condition. Can I copy this total program there? Yes or no? All right. The total program from here to here, the total program will be inside. The total 6 subject marks. The total program up to here. Control X. I copied, no? See there. I am copying inside. Don't be confused. The length increases. Can I copy there? Right. Control V. Copied. The data is inside. Now, I'll move this. For our convenient, I'll move this. I copied yesterday's program inside. Right. Now look here. Can I run the program now? This is the program. Total inside. Almost 100 lines came. Right. I will run it. Recompile the program and run it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Length is not matching. No. Right. Invalid roll number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Name Raj. I am entering CSC. Now see there. Enter the subject marks are coming or not now, right? 90, 90, 90. Yesterday's program only. 90. Yeah, not. Here total marks are coming. Sir, I have to print name, roll number, name and branch, then total marks, percentage. I'll display it. So here, sir, you are displaying total marks. No, sir. You display this program, take printout and cross check. In mobile phone, if you understand, okay. If you are not understanding, take one printout and take one pencil and work it. Right? So manual only, you will get a grip. Right? Okay. Stem dot out dot print ln. Roll number. Here, roll number. Now system dot out dot print ln. Student name anyway. It is name. System dot out dot print. Next what? Branch, no? BRANCH. Branch BR. Now run it once again. I am entering correctly now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Name some Raj. Branch some triply. Marks of subject 90, 98, 99, 87, 77, 78. See there? Roll number, name, branch, total marks, percentage, and result. All of you understood this, right? Okay. Yesterday's program I not changed. Today I added one more information with roll number, name, and branch. It became a biggest program to you. Almost it became 100 lines program, 120 lines program. This is okay, right? Now this switch already you know, no? Yes or no? Na? Already you know, no? Right. Now, when this kind of situation comes, they introduced one new switch to you. From Java 13 version, they introduced one new switch. I am writing, observe it. I am removing this old switch. I am removing. Already program is running now. Already. I'll remove this variable. Right. Now, this verify method must check branch is available or not. And it has to give one value, true or false. You understood the logic. So Java 13 version RETURN return switch of BR return switch semicolon. This is a syntax. All of you understand? New switch I am introducing. What is the switch here now? Switch going to return the value. Return switch of BR here semicolon. Inside this case CSC Same only. Colon. Instead of break, Java 13 version given one keyword known as yield. Y-I-E-L-D. Yield true. That's the syntax. If BR is matched with CSE, yield true. Yield keyword specify, stop the switch case and return true. That's the meaning. Now, this is case ECE. ECE, yield. Y-I-E-L-D. Yield true. Now, case triple E. Yield. Y-I-E-L-D. Yield true. So if it is matched with the CSC, yield true. If it is matched with the EC, yield true. Yield means return true. That's the meaning actually. Sir, if it is not matched, you have to go with false or not now. So here they said default is mandatory here. So default is mandatory, saying that yield false. This is a syntax. All of you understood this? Yes or no? Na? So this is Java 13 version. Java 13 version switch statement. They modified. All of you understood this? Old switch you know already, switch case yesterday you know. First type program I executed with the same, no? Right. Just I modified the switch and running. I modify the switch and I am running it. See there. I am running. Now. Error not there. Because my version is 17. No? I am using 17 or not now. So 13 is available in the 17 also. No? So 17 is LTS. LTS means what are the changes available in 13, 14, 15, 16 available in 17. 17 is finalized product. So error not there. So run it. 1, 2, 3, 4 invalid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Name Raj. I am entering mechanical invalid. Means what? The switch is working, no? The switch is working or not? No, there's a new switch is working. Now, remaining you understood already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Name Raj. CSC. Anyway, remaining you understood. Sir, our target is 9 no, sir. Here our target is one more target is pending or not now? Yes or no? Na? Right. Here one more target is there. I am entering one roll number. I am entering one branch. The roll number not belongs to the branch, no? Yes or no? Na? Yes or no? Yes or no? Na? Branch, if you enter one roll number, that should belongs to one branch, no? Suppose friend given me a roll number, no? Now, after entering this roll number, she has to select CSC only. If she selects CC, error I must give it. Because the roll number not matches with branch, I must say. That logic also I'll give to you. But string chapter should come. Up to here, my intention, I want to introduce switch case. My student who are sitting today in this classroom for core Java, old switch you know, 13 switch you know. 17 switch is waiting. You have to wait it. 2021 modification happened. 2021 September one switch came. Still market people, 1% people also don't know. 1% people also don't know. The switch came. But you will know. You have to wait it. Because I introduced 13. After that, I will not find a time. Because next tomorrow holiday is there anyway. Right? Today I'll give 1 or 2 program solutions. I'll repeat it. I'll stop it. Because next concept is passing non-primitive data type as a parameter. That is Thursday's class. After I am passing primitive into char, I must pass class as parameter on Thursday. That is the target. Until then, that is 3 or 4 questions I prepared and came today. I'll load that 3 or 4 questions to Google Classroom. You find a solution tomorrow. You'll get a Borno tomorrow. So I prepared 3-4 questions and already kept it. So that that 3 questions, 4 questions you'll prepare and come. That I prepared and came already. So Thursday onwards, method will take class as parameter is going to take it. Okay, right. Now, hope you understood what is the modification is going to happen. Now, anyway, a new switch introduced. One more switch is waiting to you. That is Java 17 switch is waiting. This is 13 switch. 13 means 2019 modified switch. Java 13 means almost 2019 will be there. 2019, no? Right. This is March. This is September. So this is the modification. Now 17 again they modified. 2021 they modified switch. That is a new switch. We had it. Now I given a 13 switch to you. 17 switch. You have to wait it. Right. Right. Now let us go with the next one. Next one is what now? Sir, if I entered any subject marks in between 0 to 34, that should be fail. Okay, right. See there. Now go to the subject marks. This marks also will be decreased. While loop will come, you have to wait it. Here while loop will come and convert that 6 lines into 2 lines. We are going to convert it. Someday, one day array will come. When the array comes, multiple student details will come. One day array will come. Already you know non-primitive data type. Non-primitive data types how many times? 4. What is the first one now? Class. What is the second one? Interface. What is the third one? Array. Means to reach that array, you must complete the class. You have to complete the interface. Then only array will come. One day array will come. When the array comes, what happen now? How many students you want it? So I want 5 students. 5 students, roll number, name, branch, total marks, percentage, result. Like this, the records will come. Understood this point? One day that program also will come to you. Right? So on that day, the total things will be available to you. Program size increases to 250 lines program will come. That length increases to 200 and plus lines, it increases. Suddenly, if you saw 200 lines, student cannot understand. Slowly, I given, first I given 6 subject marks, I given. Next, I given total marks and so on. Yesterday only I given that return types and so on. Today, I increased one more class and I said, returning your the true or false again. It's a plan only. See there. This method return type is what now? Boolean. This method return type is what now? Int. This method return type is what now? Float. This method return type is what now? String. Who is pending now? Char is pending. Int came from integer family, no? From integer family, integer came out, not now. For float family, who came now? Float. From Boolean, only one, no? So who did not came now? Character did not came. But parent came, no? Character is a part of string or not now? That's a technique I played in this. It's a technique only. Character not there. You have to wait it. Because if I break the string into piece, character will come. I'm going to break that. For that only for loop is waiting. For loop not entered. If I bring the for loop, it breaks into pieces. Index value will come, character will come, char will come. So by plan only I kept this. So every class has one Boolean return type, one int return type, one float return type, one string return, nothing but char return type. It's a concept. So there is a technique I played in this program in your book anyway. Now let us go here. After 6 subject marks are coming, I am cross checking. All that 6 subject marks are in between 0 to 100 or not. Means what? If all are greater than 100, you are coming inside, no? Yes or no? Na? If all are greater than 0, you're coming inside or not now? So inside this, I will write one more if condition. I will write end of if. I'll write this if condition is nothing but yes subject 1 less than or equal to 34 or subject 2 less than or equal to 34 or subject 3 less than or equal to 34. Here subject 4 less than or equal to 34. Here subject 5 less than or equal to 34. Here S6 less than or equal to 34. What is R now? Any one true or not now, right? So whether this or whether this or whether this or and so on. If any one is true, it becomes true or not now, right? Sir, if it is true, he is a fail. That is a logic or not now? But I must say he is a fail to this method now. Here one generate method is there or not? Through that only your result is coming or not now? I must give the information to this generate method that one subject marks entered in between 0 to 34. I must give information to generate. Sir, how you'll give the information? See there, the logic is, I'll take one Boolean variable again. Today, I'm concentrating on Boolean variable. Observe or not now? So I am taking one Boolean variable. P is equal to what now? False. Sir, why P only means some name I am taking roughly. That is P. You can take any name. P is equal to false. Whenever the condition is true here, P value, I'll make it as what now? True. I took P value false. Whenever the condition is true, I'll make P value is what now? True. I'll make it. Whenever the P value becomes true, student failed. When the P value is false, student not failed. I must give this P value to generate method. Can you see generate method? Generate method, you take this P and go. I'm passing P as parameter to generate method. Now this generate method is taking the percentage. This generate method taking the P value. So P value is what now? Boolean. So here I will take Boolean P. Now the P value came here now, right? When the P value came here now, I'll write a condition. If of P. If of P means true, no, right? Else I will link this if condition there. If the P value is true, I'll say return fail. I will say. There's a logic. First I'll run it, I'll explain it. See there, I am running the program. Whenever the change occurs, you have to compile. Right, somewhere. Cannot find the symbol S6. Instead of subject 6, I written S6. Okay. Right. Recompile the program. Enter the roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Name is Raj. Branch CSC. 90 marks, 99, 98, 97, 96, and here 9 marks. No? Right. Now see there the answer. What is the result here now? Fail. So his percentage is 81%, but he is considered as fail because one subject marks he got between 0 to 34. Sir, what is the logic here? I'll repeat it, observe it. I took one variable Boolean. I took one variable Boolean. That Boolean variable P assigned with false. Now, I kept one condition here. The condition, if any one subject less than 34, I'll make this P as true. If all the subjects are greater than 34, P will be false only. The modification not happened. If any subject marks less than 34, P will be true. That P value I am giving to generate method. The generate method will take that P. If the P value is true, it returns fail. All of understood this logic? Yes or no now? The point. So this is the modification for today. To make you, whenever you want to understand this program, take printout. Why printout I am saying means this program I'll modify with strings, second modification. Then I'll modify this program with array. After array, I'll modify this program with exception handle. Try, catch, finally, throws. On the day, the program looks very rich. With this knowledge, you are all entering into advanced Java. In advanced Java, we'll ask you to create one database table. The database table is roll number, name, branch, total marks, percentage, result, one table. Then we'll ask you to design one HTML form. In that HTML form, name, branch combo box. Right, checkbox is the branch, right? Roll number. Then 6 subject marks, names will be given. Telugu, Hindi, English will be given. Suppose you enter roll number less there only error will come in the HTML. That only JavaScript. Your trainer will train you. When you enter wrongly, there only how to raise the red mark. So he trains JavaScript. He filters that data and give to you. This is HTML form. Go to core Java. Create one table from Oracle. Go to not core Java, advanced Java. HTML form validation. Go to advanced Java. Database trainer created one table. No, go to advanced Java. Core Java trainer given one logic. No, go come to advanced Java. All will come here. Advanced. In advanced, we'll on the server. In that server, our Java program will be written and deployed. Then the program will be running from web browser. From web browser, the user will enter the data. No, sir. All the students I want to do at a time means I'll give my IP address. You type that www.myIPaddress.tomcat server. The form will be open on your mobile phones. All can insert the data. The data will be updated in the database. That only mini project. Understood this? Logics will not be changed. Background, condition only, roll number length only. That all logic will be same. But in the front end interaction will be changed. Difference you got it now? Because of this reason, today 120 lines program is there. Actually, core Java student recently 1 week back only, you started reading from the keyboard. Suddenly 120 lines program is available. But the concept is nothing but one method with parameter and return that only. Loops not there. While loop not there, for loop not there, to confuse you. What concept available means subclass, main class concept is there. With that, every class is having one method with a parameter and return type. There are given 2 switch cases for us. One is old, one is new. In between, are included more number of conditions. Some conditions has been increased. So these are the components available in that program. The program should be under your control. Means you must understand every line. How it is possible means take printout, take one pencil and see line by line by line. All lines you are understanding or not, you have to cross check. Understood? Like this, 4 printouts will come. Model 1, model 2, Model 3, Model 4. Model 4 is exception handle. Model 5 is advanced Java, mini project, student registration. On the day, say your hobbies, singing, dancing, something will click it or not now. That all we are going to include it. Because HTML trainer should come no to give a checkbox, to give a radio button, to give a, all he has to train it and send it no. Again, he has to align it with color and send it no. So lot more work is there. So here only minimum fields we are taking. That richest page will be taken to advance. Understood this point? Like this, 5th level mini project will be there based on student registration. All right. For that, this is level 1 code. Level 1 code means where conditions are available, where subclass is holding one method with parameter and return type. All of you understood this, right? So this program, you take a printout and cross check. Any doubt is there, show it to me and I'll explain that once again to you. Got it right? So this is the program updation for today. I'll add this program to you. So in this program today, I came with a new switch. That only define switch case yield statement. Switch case break, everybody knows, no? Right. So today's notes is switch case yield statement. Yesterday I given notes for switch case statement or not now? Today I'm giving a notes on what now? Switch case yield. Make it star mark IMP. Very less people knows in the market. You also educate your friends. A new switch available in Java. Define switch case YIELD yield statement. Switch case yield statement. Switch case YIELD. Switch case yield statement introduced by Java 13 version. Java 13 version and which returns the result. Switch case yield statement introduced by Java 13 version and which returns the result and which returns the result and which is also known as return type switch. RETURN, return type switch. You can say return type switch. Right. Now the students are coming now. When you go 7:31 batch will come for me. That's called ending batch. Ending means within 3-4 days the batch is coming out. That people will write 5 to 6 different switches. They'll write. They updated to 18. They'll write 3. They'll compare objects also. They'll pass object to switch and they'll compare object directly. That switch available in your Java. They'll write 5 to 6 switches. They'll write. So you also will come to that stage. But my habit is, wherever I want, I'll include in the notes and go. I separately I will not give a title. Java 8 features started. Java 17 features started. I will not write. Right? Part of course. In the introduction only switch should come. Part of course only they will come. If you miss the class, I will not repeat it. Because madam, you will not give the video also. Understood? Part of notes only we are going to include them and go forward. So like this, all updations will come at the ending. If you cross check the notes, all will be there inside. Separate titles not available. So Zar started 8 features like this, not there. It's a part of your course. Today, old switch came. If I introduce a new switch, student will understand. So the differences you can take it. If I move this concept to last 100, you will forget it. Tomorrow holiday coming, no. Immediately 50% of the students that come forgets actually. Holidays come, student will forget it. If I move that 8 features last, student will forget it. Because of this reason, in my notebook, you can cross check all my notebooks. Wherever I want it, there only I include it. Because I included here the switch case yield statement. You can call it as a return type switch. The reason here only return switch is there. No? Return switch. The switch is returning the value or not now, true or false. So the return can that can return any value means any value. If it is return type is string, it returns string. If the return type is int, returns int on demand. I'll show all options to you. Today I shown Boolean. Somewhere I'll show the number also to you. It returns number also. Right. Syntax. Syntax. RETURN. Return switch. Of value. Semicolon. Here. Case 1. YIELD. Yield some result. Yield some result. Case 2. YIELD. Yield some result. Like this, you can take n number of cases on your demand. YIELD. Yield result. Now, default is available. You can say YIELD. Yield default statement. Yield some default statement. If above is not executed, default. You know this concept already. Right. Here, default is mandatory. I'm making that statement down. Default statement is mandatory in return type switch. Make it note and what do you note? Default is mandatory. Default is mandatory. Default is mandatory in switch case YIELD. Default is mandatory in switch case yield. Everybody understood this? Okay. Right. Now look here. Yesterday, I written one more program to you. This one. Demo method 6. Hope you understood that already. This one. This is addition. This is subtraction. This is multiplication. This is division. This is modulo division. Somebody asked about typecasting. I'll give the notes. You have to wait it. For me, one situation will be there. You have to wait it. Right? So, typecasting, we write in your string chapter. Character should come out. Still character not entered. So, char to byte. Byte to short. Short to int. Int to long. Long to float. Float to double. It goes upward. Upcast. Then again reverse. Double to float. Float to long. Long to int to short, short to byte, byte to char, downcast. So whenever we want write that layout, char not entered. Because of that notes I'm not writing. You have to wait it, I'll write it. Moreover, somebody asked one more question to me. Nothing wrong, you are asking questions. One or two I'm not answering because I'm a language trainer. Language trainer means for me one flow will be there. So we'll come with one flow. Some, sir, whenever I generate some percentage or any divided by, sir, some 7 point example 7.343637, like this biggest value is coming, I want to round off. He asked a question to me. Yes, java.lang.math class is there for us. Through that mathematical class, we are going to give a round off function. Rounding off is there, ceiling is there, flooring is there, log is there, tan is there, all are available. So we introduce them, you have to wait it. Right? All for the process is there, but we introduce them, you have to wait it. And moreover, somebody asked that percentage is there, no? Percentage. Sir, total marks divided by 600 into 100. If I take it, so answer not coming, sir. If I take total marks into 100 divided by 600, answer is coming. You can cross check that. You can write total marks divided by 600 into 100. Proper answer will not come. If we write total marks into 100 divided by 600, answer will come. The reason, precedence is available. In other language, operator precedence is there, no? For us also, operator precedence is available. Why to confuse the student? Already object oriented only headache, no? Writing subclass, writing object here. So because that concepts we are not keeping now only. First, we are educating a student about subclass, main class, object creation, method path, that flavor you are giving. So all I should not bring at a time. Load will be very high. So after few days, we bring that operator precedence will be given, and float double difference will be recorded. Int long difference will be recorded. Char to upcasting we are going to do. Then we are going to downcast to the character with ASCII values, that we are going to do it. You have to wait that kind of actions. Because that questions you asked it, I not answered. Because that session I have to give to you. Suddenly I cannot answer that questions. One flow will be there in object oriented. So I'm repeating that point to you. Anyway, here I used a typecast and use it. If I don't use typecast here, only quotient part will come. Here reminder, quotient part only will come. Fraction part will not come. You have to convert it. So here I am using old switch anyway, based on the choice. This program you understood, no? Anyway, so like this, subclasses are available, the programs. Okay, now assignment must be given to you, but I'll add the assignment to Google Classroom to you. Some 2-3 questions I'll add it. The questions also theoretical format will be there. Theoretical format question, I'll upload it. Known one, small things only, I'll upload it. Okay, right. 2 or 3 questions I'll upload. Theoretical questions I'll upload. Read that question and try it and come. Because next concept for me is nothing but passing class as parameter to method, class as a return type. For this, I'll take 2 days time, Thursday, Friday, and this Friday, Saturday, you had assignments on that concept, right? Can we take a break bit early? Right. So we are meeting on which date now? Thursday, for class as parameter. Until then, complete all the programs and read it and come. I'll upload today evening 3 or 4 questions to Google Classroom assignment. You do that and come. Okay, right. Thank you very much for today. Happy Vinayak Chauthi to all. You can go.
About yesterday's assignment, we have to do extra we have to put extra argument. without passing extra argument, we can do it, sir. Yeah. I use just if else statement, and if in if else statement, I write the stuff. I put the object statement. And sir, what is it? Is there any difference between the new switch case and old switch case? It just it is nothing much other than that. That means nothing much other than that. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Sir, thank you, sir.
In new switch case, in the last you wrote semicolon. It is compulsory, sir. You didn't give notes, sir. In notes.
లేదు సార్ సార్ ఇఫ్ ఎల్స్ వాడతాం కదా సార్ ఇఫ్ ఎల్స్ వాడతాం కదా సార్ ఇఫ్ అండ్ ఎల్స్ అవి కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉన్నా కానీ నెక్స్ట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ చెప్పండి సార్ వాళ్ళు నెక్స్ట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ చెప్తారు కదా మీరు అది కూడా సేమ్ ఇంకా ఉంటాయి కదా సార్ ఇఫ్ ఎల్స్ ఇప్పుడు కంపల్సరీ ఉంటాయి కదా ఇంకా ఇఫ్ ఎల్స్ అని ఇంకా ప్రతి ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఉంటాయి కదా సార్ మామూలుగా